Hello recommenders, this is Romeo from recommendationbook.com, and today I have the review of the Ganzo F756. Well, this here is the box where it came. It's the new box, Firebird, made by Ganzo, designed by Firebird. The rebranding. Here's the model, the F7562BK. The 2 stands for Stonewash, BK stands for black, made in China, as you can see. Ganzoknife.com is their website. Firebird. Here's the Facebook and the Instagram from Ganzo. The new box with the new silk sack, the bubble wrap, and the silica gel. And here's the knife, the F756. This here is one of my favorite Ganzos. Has everything I like on a Ganzo folder. I'm gonna talk about this. Now the specific why do I wanted to get this knife? This knife has everything I like on a Ganzo folder. It has the Stonewash, the black G10, the G-lock, 3.6 inches blade length, a good pocket clip. I bought because I knew I would like this knife. It has everything I like on a Ganzo folder. Now the specifications. This here is the model F562BK. The lock type is the G-lock. The Ganzo Access Lock. The steel is 440C with a beautiful Stonewash finish. The handle material is black G10. You can get this knife in orange or green. The clip is stainless steel. The blade hardness is not informed by Ganzo. The weight is 4.5 ounces or 129 grams. The overall length is 8 5/16 inches. The blade length is 3 9/16 inches. The blade length is 3.6 inches. Now let me make you here a size comparison with my Likes B2 pen. Here's a size comparison with my Likes B2 pen. This here is a 3.6 inches blade length folder. So I like the size of this folder. If you have medium sized hands, this folder is going to be very good for you. Now the first impressions with this knife here. Now I have this knife here. A long time ago I bought this knife, so I have sharpened this knife already. So I won't show here the initial sharpness. I'm gonna show here the test sharpness, the sharpness test. I'm gonna show. I sharpened this knife on my Lansky turn box system just before the review. And let's see the edge it got in the Lansky turn box. The Lansky turn box is a great system for sharpening Ganzo knives because Ganzo folders are very inexpensive, and the Lansky turn box is also a very inexpensive system. So the Lansky turn box is very good for sharpening Ganzo folders. The 440C from Ganzo gets a very keen edge, very sharp folders. These Ganzo knives, very sharp, as you can see. Let's see the chip sharpness. Chip is not very sharp, but the blade sharpness is very high. The corrosion resistance of the 440C is very good. The ISA sharpening is very good. Let's see the blade centering. Just a little to the right. Just a little to the right. Let's check the blade play. A tiny bit of side-to-side blade play. No blade play upside down. Just a tiny bit of side-to-side blade play. If you adjust the pivot to get tighter, it's gonna remove the blade play, but then the blade won't drop like so. There is a flat spot for sharpening. Flat spot for sharpening like right here. The ergonomics of the handle are excellent. This here is a very neutral handle. It's comfortable in every single grip. This knife is comfortable. For martial artists who use the edge-in grips, this knife is very good. If you like to use the edge in the inside, this handle here is very good. It's a very neutral handle. Ergonomics are very good. There is space in the handle for the 4 fingers. The quality of the hardware of Ganzo is very good. This knife here does not have a linear hole, but you can put the linear for the last pillar here. You can push the linear through the last pillar right here, but this knife does not have a linear hole. The cleaning inside the handle is very good. The knife came very clean inside the handles, and as you can see there is holes in the liners to save weight. Holes in the liners to save weight. The deployment is via thumb stud. Very smooth open, very smooth to close. This knife is easily a one-hand knife operation. One-hand operation knife. Very smooth to open, very smooth to close. Let's see if you can flick the knife. Yes, you can flick the knife. It's a great flicker. Great flicker. The detent is very good. You can open with inertia. But you have to use a lot of force. The detent is springy. So it will probably not open inside your pocket. Detent is very good. I like the detent on these G-lock folders from Ganzo. The detent on the G-lock folders from Ganzo is very good, very springy, very unlikely to open inside your pocket. Now the clip orientations is chip up right side or chip up left side. Let's see how much appears when the knife is on the pocket. This here is what going to appear when the knife is on the pocket. From 0 to 10, I give it 5 or 6. I think I'm gonna give it 5.5, 5.5, for how discreet the knife is on the pocket. The clip is setting, and the clip is kind of big, but I like this clip because this clip is very functional, very easy to go in and out of the pocket. I like this clip. It would be better if the clip was black. It would be way better if the clip was black. If the clip was black, this knife would be a 8 from 0 to 10 for how discreet the knife is, but the clip is setting, So this knife here is 5.5 from 0 to 10 for how discreet the knife is on the pocket. It's not the most discreet pocket clip, but there is worse pocket clips. From 0 to 10, 5.5. The knife goes in and out of the pocket very easily, in and out of the pocket. And as you can see here, the ramp of the pocket clip is very curved upwards. The ramp of the pocket clip is very curved upwards, so it's very easy to go in and out of the pocket because of that. The G10 is not very aggressive under the clip, so you don't have the same problem that you have with the cold steel folders. The cold steel folders, the G10 is very aggressive under the clip, and the ramp of the pocket clip on the cold steel folders is very curved down, so it's very hard to put inside the pocket. But as you can see here, the ramp of the pocket clip is very curved upwards, so it's very easy to go in and out of the pocket. Now the utilitarian application. The utilitarian application, well, this here is a very well balanced knife. It's not too heavy, not too big, not too small. It's sharp, it slices well, it pierces well, the clip is good. It's a good looking knife, I think. It's a good looking knife. It is inexpensive, so the utilitarian application is very good. Now the tactical application of this folder. Well, the tactical application of this folder is so well balanced that it ends up being great for self-defense. It's such a well balanced knife for utility work that it ends up being great for self-defense. Now the final considerations. The price for this knife today is $16.35 on the Fast Tech. I'm gonna leave the link on the description box for you to buy this knife on the Fast Tech website. I don't know what is happening with the GearBest website, but GearBest does not have this knife here on stock. GearBest, I think GearBest has only the carbon fiber with black blade on stock. I'm gonna check it out, and I'm gonna leave all the links on the description box, but I'm gonna leave the link for the Fast Tech on the description box. It's $16.35. So the conclusion. Well, this here is one of the better Ganzos. There's nothing wrong with this knife. Now, should you get this knife? Well, if you like G10, if you like thumb studs, if you like the G-Lock, if you like Stonewash, and 3.6 inch blade length, no, if you like this pocket clip, you cannot go wrong with this knife. If you like the G-Lock, it's a very well balanced folder. It's one of the better Ganzos. It's a very good Ganzo. It is recommended. It is highly recommended. Well, so this is it for the review of the Ganzo F756, one of the better Ganzos. Put your comments on the comment section. Thanks for watching, and see you later.